Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Our lesson for today is the word kara. Kara. Or, in English, it means because. Now, kara has another meaning, but in this lesson, we're going to talk about the word because only. Because. Basu ni norimashou. Let's get on the bus. Okay, this is that situation. We're going to somewhere and we're taking the bus. So we say, basu ni norimashou. Basu ni norimashou. Now, there's a reason why we are taking the bus. In this case, the reason is the taxis are expensive. That's why we are taking the bus. Taxi wa takai desu. Taxi wa takai desu. Taxis are expensive. This is the reason why we are taking the bus. Now, to say because taxis are expensive, we just add kara at the end of the sentence of the reason. So here, because taxis are expensive, taxi wa takai desu, we take the bus. Taxi wa takai desu kara basu ni norimashou. Okay? Because the taxis are expensive, let's get on the bus. As you can see here, we can put the reason first before the situation. Taxi wa takai desu kara basu ni norimashou. Let's get on the bus because taxis are expensive. Another example. Watashi wa konban benkyoushimasu. Watashi wa konban benkyoushimasu. I will study tonight. Now, there's a reason why I will study tonight. And the reason is, we will have an exam tomorrow. Ashita tesuto ga arimasu. Ashita tesuto ga arimasu. We will have an exam tomorrow. This is the reason for the situation that I will study. Now, to add, because again, we add kara at the end of the sentence after arimasu. Ashita tesuto ga arimasu. Because we will have an exam tomorrow, I will study tonight. Ashita tesuto ga arimasu kara konban benkyoushimasu. Ashita tesuto ga arimasu kara benkyoushimasu. Because we have an exam tomorrow, I will study tonight. Verbs can also be used in the past tense form. Past tense form. Again, this is the reason. The reason is, kessa testo ga atta kara. Ima chotto tsukareta. Because I had a test this morning, I'm a bit tired. Now, we can remove because. Just say, I had a test this morning. And in English, we just add the word so. So, I am a bit tired. Kesa testo ga atta kara ima chotto tsukareta. As you can see here, if you can notice, atta is the past casual form of aru. Past casual form of aru. So, we are saying that there was. Casually, there was. So, here we are using the casual form in this sentence. Atta, atta, before kara. And tsukareta is also in the casual past tense. Okay? So, casual and casual, it makes sense. Testo ga atta kara ima chotto tsukareta. Also, we can use other variations, but it's up to you. So here we use the past tense, positive casual, atta. Now for the nouns in casual form, they are changed to da. So shiken desu, daiji na shiken desu. Now the casual form of des in the noun, if you can remember the previous lessons, gakusei desu, sensei desu, etc. The casual form of the verb des is da. So here we say daiji na shiken dakara ganbaru. Daiji na shiken dakara ganbaru. Because this is an important test, I will do my best. Or this is an important test, so I will do my best. Again, we can remove the and create the polite form. So, daiji na shiken desu kara ganbarimasu. Daiji na shiken desu kara ganbarimasu. Here, we change it to the polite form, which is also acceptable. Because it is in the polite form, it is the same meaning. This is an important test, so I will do my best. Or because this is an important test, I will do my best. Again, if we can say daiji na shiken janai kara, it depends on the situation whether you will use present tense or past tense in the positive or negative. Now, for the na adjective, we can also use dakara for the casual form. Dakara. For example, kanojo wa hontou ni shizuka dakara kanojo wa amari hanasanai. Now, as you can see here, kanojo wa is redundant, so we will remove it and just say amari hanasanai. The topic is already obvious. We do not need to repeat the topic kanojo or she. Again, kanojo wa hontou ni shizuka dakara amari hanasanai. These are both in the casual tense. Now, because we are using na adjective, shizuka, the casual form of des is again like in the nouns da. Shizuka dakara. And again, if we want to be more polite, instead we can say shizuka desu kara. Shizuka desu kara. Instead of shizuka dakara. Shizuka desu kara amari hanashimasen. For example, it's more polite than using the casual da kara. Now for the e adjective, we're going to use the regular kara form. We're not going to add da because it's an e adjective. For example, atsui kara mado o akete kudasai. Atsui kara mado o akete kudasai. It's hot. So could you please open the window? Because it's hot, please open the window. Now, why it is only atsui? Because the casual form of an e adjective is without des in the present positive form. So, atsui desu, atsui. The casual form of atsui is atsui. Atsui. It's hot. That's why there is no des there or da. So we just say atsui kara mado akete kudasai. Okay, now we're going to have an exercise. Add a reason using the kara to the following situation. For example, benkyoushimasu, I will study. Now, what is the reason? Why am I studying? Because we will have an exam tomorrow. Ashita tesuto ga arimasu kara. Ashita tesuto ga arimasu kara. This is the reason why I am studying. Therefore, I will add kara at the end of the sentence. We can also reverse the sentences and say, Ashita tesuto ga arimasu kara benkyoushimasu. Because we will have an exam tomorrow, I will study. Or, we will have an exam tomorrow, so I will study. Ashita tesuto ga arimasu kara benkyoushimasu. Okay. Now, try adding reasons for the following situations. It was terrible last week. What is the reason why it is terrible last week? I will not watch that movie. So what is the reason why? I often go to that restaurant. So what is the reason why you often go to that restaurant? Kino kuraso yasumimashita. Why were you absent last time or yesterday? So here you can pause the video and try adding reasons using kara. Or you may not pause the video and continue watching. Okay, so these are my reasons. It was terrible last week. 先週は大変でした。先週は大変でした。The reason is 大雨でした。大雨でした。Because it rained a lot. 大雨でした。大雨でしたから。If we add, of course, because 大雨でしたから。大雨でしたから先週は大変でした。It was terrible last week because it rained a lot. 大雨でしたから先週は大変でした。Second situation. あの映画を見ません。I will not watch that movie. あの映画を見ません。I will not watch that movie. Now, what is the reason why you are not watching that movie? Maybe because it's bad, okay? Or you watched it already. But for me, I say, 悪い映画ですから。It is a bad movie. 悪い映画ですから。I will not watch that movie because it is a bad movie. 悪い映画ですから、あの映画を見ません。悪い映画ですから、あの映画を見ません。Now, because it is redundant to say 映画 again in one sentence, we remove あの映画 and just leave 見ません。What will happen is 悪い映画ですから見ません。Because it is a bad movie, I won't watch it. Okay, next. よくあのレストランに行きます。I often go to that restaurant. I often go to that restaurant. So, what is the reason why you often go to that restaurant? It's because the food is delicious there. 食べ物はそこでおいしいですから。食べ物はそこでおいしいですから。Because the food is delicious there. That's why I often go there. We can rewrite the sentence like this. 食べ物そこでおいしいですから。よくあのレストランに行きます。The food is delicious there, so I often go to that restaurant. Or we say, because the food is delicious there, I often go to that restaurant. Or we can say this one, the food is delicious there, so I often go to that restaurant. The reason is the food is delicious, okay? 食べ物はそこで美味しいですから、よくあのレストランに行きます。And last example. 昨日クラスを休みました。I was absent from class yesterday. Now what is the reason why I was absent? Maybe because I was ill. 私は病気でしたから。私は病気でしたから。Because I was ill. We can reformulate these two sentences into one. 私は病気でしたから、昨日クラスを休みました。私は病気でしたから、昨日クラスを休みました。I was ill, so I was absent yesterday. Or, because I was ill, I was absent yesterday. It depends on you, of course, to say it in English. But this is how it is said in Japanese. 私は病気でしたから、昨日クラスを休みました。Okay, I wanna thank you all for watching. If you have some questions or comments, please comment down below. And if you find my videos and my channel useful, please like my videos and subscribe to my channel. I will be posting more videos of the Japanese grammar and the Japanese vocabulary in the near future. 見てくれてありがとう。また会いましょう。